As someone who travels the world for a living, I need a reliable eSIM for travelers that guarantees consistent mobile data and 5G connectivity abroad. Staying connected globally used to be complicated, but Nomad eSIM, built on cloud-native connectivity via the Lotus Flare SaaS platform, completely changes the way I travel. Every journey should give you more freedom, more connection, and more discovery. If you're new to this travel hack, you might be asking, what is an eSIM? It works just like a traditional SIM card, except without the annoying physical card. You benefit from an easy activation and a dual SIM setup that lets you separate your data. With prepaid eSIM plans, you can get connected anywhere, anytime, with the peace of mind of no roaming fees. More trips, more connections, more value. That's what you get as a Nomad user. A lot of people ask how to install a Nomad eSIM. It's a simple 3-step process that ensures you maintain your dual SIM setup. First, open your settings and scan the QR code from your confirmation email. That's your easy eSIM activation. Then, set your Nomad line for cellular data and keep your primary SIM for texts and calls. Finally, make sure that data roaming is turned on your Nomad line to avoid hidden fees on your home plan. If you are planning a trip with friends, family, or are a digital nomad that needs a plan for multiple trips, check out Nomad eSIM Value Bundles for Groups. This is a pure budget optimization. You can buy massive data bundles up to 200 gigabytes and split them into multiple eSIMs. A great feature for travelers wanting affordable global data. Nomad offers coverage in over 200 destinations and regional plans like the Europe eSIM subscription and the Asia Pacific data plans. In fact, they even have a budget-friendly $3 Euro plan to cover basic essential navigation. You can share these bundles with your travel crew using the Share to Friend feature right in the app. Plus, you can purchase now and activate later, right before your trip or even upon arrival. As a traveler and digital nomad focused on remote work connectivity, I appreciate that my travel tech actually helps me get more from every trip. Mobile hotspot and tethering are fully supported for maximum reliability. For the long-term user, Nomad offers Global X plans, which are perfect for extended trips, providing the flexibility you need. With the Nomad Rewards program, you can also earn points with every purchase, which you can easily redeem for discounts, bonus data, and travel perks. Because every journey adds something new to your story, you shouldn't waste a single second worrying about your connection. Download the Nomad app today to track your usage, check out their prepaid eSIM plans and Global X plans, and start getting more with every trip. The link is down below. Use the promo code CNET20 for a 20% discount on all regional and global plans of any gigabyte size, but it's not valid for bundles. Happy travels!